Enjin Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the Enjin Wallet. Links to the product are in the description below. In this video, we'll dive into the features, strengths, and weaknesses of Enjin Wallet so you can determine if it's the right wallet for your crypto needs. Enjin Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet designed with a focus on gaming and NFTs. It supports a wide range of assets, including Ethereum and its ERC20 tokens, as well as Bitcoin and Litecoin. However, its primary appeal is to users involved in the gaming and NFT ecosystem, as it allows for the storage, management, and trading of in-game assets and NFTs across multiple platforms. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers and creators who are active in the metaverse or NFT space. One of the wallet's standout features is its support for NFTs, enabling users to store, manage, and showcase their non-fungible tokens securely. It also integrates with major NFT marketplaces, making buying, selling, and trading assets seamless directly from the app. In addition to NFTs, Enjin Wallet offers multi-currency support, including popular coins and tokens, as well as fast transactions and low fees for users. In terms of security, Enjin Wallet offers private key control, meaning your keys are stored locally on your device, providing added privacy and control over your assets. It also features biometric login and PIN protection for additional layers of security. The wallet's multi-layered encryption ensures your assets are safe and secure. On the downside, Enjin Wallet may not be as user-friendly for beginners, especially for those new to NFTs and the gaming space. Some features may require a bit of a learning curve, and its primary focus on gaming and NFTs means that users looking for a general-purpose wallet may find it less versatile than others. Additionally, while it has robust support for NFTs, it lacks some advanced features like staking and DeFi functionality. In conclusion, Enjin Wallet is a solid choice for gamers, NFT collectors, and those heavily involved in blockchain-based gaming. Its support for NFTs, strong security features, and multi-currency management make it a great option for crypto enthusiasts in the gaming community. If you're not focused on NFTs or gaming, however, there may be more versatile options out there. Check out the links in the description for more information.